Hi Fucsia, I'm very happy to be here in New York City showing my new collection. Well, we're having a big show, but it is inspired by Andy Warhol and pop culture. I met Andy in the early 80s and he brought me to his factory. So we're doing Tommy's factory as an ode to Andy and inspiration from his love for pop culture. The collection itself is our new American classics and our collaboration with Richard Quinn. So the Richard Quinn collection is one of my favorites. It's done in a very, I would say, avant-garde, unique way. It's done with our monogram and Richard's art. It's embroidered, it's printed, it's tossed up and down. It's reversible. We have accessories. It has a punk rock vibe to it in some cases, which I love. We also do our tartan plaids, which are very successful and very important today. And at the same time, we'll do a more ladylike type of suit with the logo and with the art. We have denim, we have down, we have polo shirts, we have beautiful sweaters that are embroidered and intarsia. And we also have some outfits that are very fashion forward.